In this video, we are going to show you how to organize case studies in Poppy AI. Now, this is coming from a place where you're just setting up your case studies. You're organizing your case studies before you start working on them on Poppy, right? So open a board like so. And here, depending on how many, I guess, subcategories or categories you might want to make a group for each, right? So you can do this. Now, I'm going to show you. So the case studies, please go to Google Scholar because they're scholarly, they're proper scholarly articles. And I, for this example, say case studies on greenhouses. Now, under related studies, we have several here. So tomato, right? Heating, plastic. So here, I'm just gonna have heating and plastic and cucumber green. So there's a lot, right? So I'm going to have these three categories here, which is tomato greenhouses, heating greenhouses, and plastic greenhouses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here. I'm going to create a group. So tomato greenhouses, right? I'm going to put it here. What's the second one? Heating greenhouses, right? So I'm going to create a second group, heating greenhouses, right? Do that, put it underneath. And what's number three? Plastic greenhouses. So create another group, plastic greenhouses, right? And then put it on the bottom. Now, what we're going to do is we open the three tabs to get studies or articles from each category. So greenhouse tomato production, let's just copy that, right? And then paste it here in tomato, right? And pretty much put everything from tomato under the tomato group, right? Put it there. When it comes to the heating, same thing. Get the articles you need and then put it on the heating, right? There you go. So you kind of catch my drift of how to do it, right? Okay, I guess we haven't copied that. Go back, okay? And then plastic, let's just use the one to make the video shorter because I don't want to make this too long. So you kind of get what we're doing. So this is pretty much how you organize everything. You don't put everything, different categories in one group. It's just going to clutter things up. It's going to give your, Poppy chat, if we open one, right? A bigger chance to hallucinate. We don't want that. So after that, just connect everything, right, for your study. And now you have finished your prep. You have organized everything accordingly per category for your case studies, right? Each group has their own case studies based on where we got them from. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.